Hey, yo, everybody. Is my mic working? Can you all hear me? Hey, hey, hi, ho, hodly, hodly, hi. What's going on, y'all? We're going to give a few minutes here, let people show up, because, yeah, everything crazy going on. Can you all hear me? Anybody here? Alright, we got nobody on. Do, 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 do. Alright, Golden Scorpio, long time, everybody. Look at this mess I got. And I tell you, this took 3 carts to bring up from the hotel. Bring up for my car. So much shit to do. How is everybody? Yeah, I might as well grab a beer because this is going to be a long one. It is 12:30 at night. I don't have to work until, I don't know, 12:30 tomorrow. So I'll probably stay up until 5 or 6 working on this. So I'll get a good 5 hours of work in. And then I'll get done what I got to do. And then tomorrow night I'll probably go live again. If I don't jump on the DCA live stream. How you guys doing? It's good to see you. Let me get 5 people in here. I'll go ahead and take it off the picture here, and we'll show you what we got set up here. It's a whole lot of mess. Waiting on transactions? Yeah. Oh God, what a day! What a day. Crypto Bitcoin is just being brutal. Still going down. Looks like we're going to test the 200-day MA on the 1-hour chart again. Hey, who else? We got a 4th person who just joined us. Oh, hello. Now, one more person to join us, then we'll go ahead and drop this down to bring more people in. So what's happening, guys? Happy day. Alright. Hard to believe I've not been live in 7 months. It has been a very, very long 7 months, man. Oh, man. Yeah, not even there, man. Turn that down. La 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 la. Huh. Feel like a hobo being on Crypto Rich. Yeah. Hey, as long as you're not taking a poop in the middle of the street, man. Oh, man. We are live and, wow. I don't show up my own search. That figures. Pending 19 to 60. Yeah, it's got to get to 60 transactions before it clears. Alright, let's go ahead and bring this up right here because it's boring looking at what we got here. So let's show you our layout we got at the moment. Do 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 do. Move this down to the bottom. Boom. Alright, so how is the we got 3 cameras going. Go ahead and bring this. This is going to be an Ethereum chart right here for you guys. So we got live markets, man. Live markets. And we got Ethereum here on the left. We got Bitcoin here on the right. And up here is going to be the PCs we're working on. That tower that you see in the camera shot is the first system we're going to work on. Where we got I had to take a SSD drive and image it to a M.2 drive. So with that, it doesn't boot because obviously it doesn't have the right drivers. So the first thing we're going to do, I forgot to make the flash drive first. We're going to move the software onto the flash drive for a program called DISM++. Have you heard of it? Boris, what's going on, big dog? Good to see you, man. All right. Happy day. Yes, we are live, Boris. I live and I breathe and I didn't pass away with our poor beloved Savage Mind. Miss you, brother. Miss you. Last time I streamed was when Savage Mind was alive. Last week he was there. Yeah, craziness, man. Absolute craziness. So, we got a drive here. That's lovely Western Digital black. A 1 terabyte drive. We're going to be putting this into that tower down there, and then we're going to load up in the Windows. Then we're going to load up DISM++, and we're going to go ahead and streamline the drivers. But first, I'll show you the boot error that you're going to get when you image an SSD onto an M.2. So we'll do that first. So I got it with the chat so you can see. So I can see what my workspace is. And we're even going to be so far as being lazy, we're going to use a box to drop on top of the solid state because I don't feel like screwing it in. Do some weight. We'll drop it in the socket. And make sure I got a DISM++ copy here. I have so much crap, I just brought a bin of stuff. We got some risers here. Got some canned air to blow out parts because the other machine that's over here turns off and shuts off. And then, you know, I got this awesome RevTech from our boy, and I never got a chance to play with it. So, man, I miss you guys. It's been far too long. We even got ourselves a nice server power supply to go with that RevTech, so it runs when plug video cards and run off of that. We might get to that at some point. No, it's not a Dell G5. It's a custom built just black tower. We got ourselves a RX 580. Tell you, man, I had so many things to work on. It's been a crazy trip. All right. We got memory, we got USB, we got pens, we even got Oragel. We got ourselves a mini sword even. Cut all the boxes with, make life easier. Fun times. Alright. Let's see if I have DISM on this flash drive. It will boot up the system here so you can see the blue screen. On this up here, right? Am I pointing in the right place? This right here, that screen right there is going to have the display off of this PC. So I'll boot up here. So we're running a couple video capture cards off my laptop, which is pretty cool. We've got a I picked up an Elgato HD60 USB, and I also picked up a EVGA XR1, which was pretty impressed with it. Unfortunately, it doesn't like using the resolution that's in Windows. Windows is just bad. it's too intensive. All right, so we're going to go ahead and log in this machine here. La 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 la. Because I forgot to go into BIOS and change the setting to boot off of that. So we'll do that first. Let's try this again. Let's go and change the boot setting so it boots to the right device. So boot option. Son of a bird. Really? You're not going to tell me which one's which? Alright, so we got Western Digital. That's the drive. Okay. I think that's right. Because, yeah. Things. There are no Dell. There's a Lenovo laptop here, but no Dells. Alright. We should boot up here to a blue screen. There we go. Yeah, isn't that lovely? I'm keep hitting the wrong keyboard. Pain in the ass. Hey, we're actually going to boot? They don't have to use DISM, that'd be great. Look at that. Loading up drivers and booting the Windows. Oh, that's Windows 10 at its finest. Here we go. We got our M.2 drivers. I gotta blink the screen out here for the login, so hang on a second. Well, no keyboard or mouse yet, so that doesn't matter. Gotta wait for keyboard and mouse, because, yeah, go to the drivers, that's gonna take a few minutes. Well, that's going. Let's see what's going on in chat here. Anything going on exciting with you guys? Boris, what have you been up to, man? Ah, boy, oh boy. Video drivers loading. Yeah, I'm in St. Louis right now. I've been to Micro Center 4 times this week in the last 3 days. I keep expecting to run into Carter down here. I've got to get a screen filter set up where I can troubleshoot people's personal information better. Let's see what we got on here. I don't want to do that, so we're going to hide the icons. View icons. Hang on, guys. All right. Here we are. Yukutatsu. Yo, what's going on? Yukutatsu? Not familiar with the name. But thanks for coming. I appreciate it. We're going to have a long one because we got a lot of stuff to do. All right. Well, this one's loading up the drivers. We're going to go ahead and drop this one off the domain because we got to image this machine. So we're going to knock it off the domain here real quick. Oh, first we got to set the password. We're going to set it up. Since we don't have the server here, we're going to go ahead and take the local user. We're going to create a local user. And we're going to reset the password to no password for now. Make my life easier while this is going on. Alright. Then we will go ahead and take this off the domain. We'll call this one AA Work X, and then we'll take it to a work group. We'll call it Work Group. Okay. Right. Basic networking stuff, guys. Basic networking. This machine already has Windows 10 Pro. We've got the latest drivers on here. Yep, 21H1, so that's positive. We're not going to be installing server Windows 2011. That is, or Windows 11. There's no way in hell. I am running AMD processors in this whole office, actually, so we're not going to be doing Windows 11 because of the caching problem. And the new tax software in QuickBooks are requiring 8 gig of RAM. Why? It's also requiring an i5 or equivalent, so you can't even run on i3 if you want to run QuickBooks 2022 or later. And if you want to run the new Pro Series 2022, you can't run any of the anything slower than an i5. Total insanity. Well, we had a nice turnaround here on ETH. And once again, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, which it has been for about 3 months now. With that insanity. Alright, one thing we are going to do with this one, if I have it, is we're going to be resetting the machine ID. That way we have the Windows already Yeah. Those epic server processors, man, I love those things. They're so beautiful. I do not have... That's a DDU. That drive does not have it. Do I have my downloads folder? Right here, by chance. Actually, this is a copy of Work 3. I might actually already have this machine in here. Alright, let's see. Now we're going to have to break this out. Users. Sorry, guys. Sensitive data ish. Does that say what I think it says on there? Son of a bird. Wow. Alright. Things you find when you don't realize it. Alright, come on. Documents. Boom. Nope, that's not it. Downloads. We got Rufus, but we don't have Dism. Okay. Happy day. Oh, happy day. All right. Is it on this flash drive? Nope, that's a Hive OS. Let's save that for later. Which Epic server processor did you get? Golden Wolf. So far, no good on getting a drive with this on it. Or the downloader then. It's all good. I got downloaded. I'll pull it up on the I'll pull the website up and maximize the screen so you can see where I get it from. It's a great utility. Yeah. I'm just gonna download it. Let's go on my flash drives. We'll put it on another drive. Okay. $39X. All right, we're gonna go to. All right, so this is where you get this utility from. I'll drop the link in the chat for you guys. Have any of you ever utilized this in plus plus? Do you know what it is? And are you kidding me? Ah. Google is blocking it because it's an exe. Oh, why? All right, we'll drop in a. We'll go from a different browser. There we go. Now, it's a zip file, so Google has flagged it, all files that are zip files as unsafe because you don't know what you are actually trying to download when you download it on purpose, right? You going to download? Bloody hell. Found it. Okay, I have a copy here. Cool. Send to flash drive. Dism++ isn't a mining software. Google doesn't like anything that's not a... They're flagging everything. Alright. We shall go ahead and load up Dism++. It's a great utility. Oh yeah, it's going to Dism++ here. Run as our administrator. Accept it. Okay. Dism++. If you have a Windows machine and it has problems with anything, and you want to, sometimes you gotta run like SFC system scan, or you're having problems installing some updates. This utility is fantastic. Sometimes the start menu stops working in Windows 10. You can run this program. This has got an automatic fix, which will run the Apex repairs for you automatically. It's got a startup manager in it, though I don't utilize it. I use Neptune for that still. It's got a built-in disk cleanup, which is fantastic. You can do a scan. It'll scan through and it'll look for all the crap that you don't want on here, and it'll clear it. Now, you got to be careful with this because it will also reset your window locations. It'll clear out all of your recent task lists on Windows, as well as all your Word documents and stuff like that. It's also in the toolkit. You got a system backup which you run. You can launch system restore. It's got a boot manager repair, which is pretty cool. Guide mode enables some enhanced features of Windows that you don't normally have access to. In ESD and ISO, basically what ESD is, it's like an ISO. It's your compacted file. An SD to WIM conversion tool. A WIM file is like when you install Windows, it has what's called a WIM file. It's a compressed file which then expands itself and opens it up and loads all the drivers so you can utilize it. Image X is kind of cool tool. It lets you set up different customized image stuff, and you can set tasks in it. It's got a file explorer built in. It can make an ISO. It can has a host editor, so if you have a problem with your internet browser not working, and you try to figure out why it's not working, you can go in and open that up, and you just delete the stuff that shouldn't be there, like that. So then it's also got System Optimizer, which will help you clean stuff up here. You can import drivers to the current image you're on. You can mount an image. What that means is you can take a machine that's offline, which is what I was planning on doing. You can mount it, and then you can do all the same features without actually booting into Windows, which is a pretty cool thing to do. It builds, like, if you're going to build up your system image for first time booting up, it lets you set up all that stuff so that you want to have users, you want to have it answer questions for you automatically. This is the stuff which you use for that. It's got a scan health. What this will do, it's basically it'll look at all the Windows files. It's basically running the disk and repair utility and the fix. And as you see, it's a one-click fix. You don't have to do all the typing and everything in order to check your system and have it repair any missing Windows or corrupted Windows files that Microsoft tends to throw up at you sometimes. You get some random errors. This will do a good job of fixing that stuff. And if you can't get an update to install, if it continues to fail, no matter what you do, when this finishes here, I'll show you this updates thing. It's pretty awesome. You can select the updates that are not installed on the machine, and it'll force the updates to install. And it does it with a guide mode access. So if there's if a permission issue is preventing a Windows update from installing, and you can't get it resolved by re-downloading the installation, this tool will actually go ahead and run it. So you can do a scan. Yeah. It'll show you all the ones that are there. I'm not sure why this is not giving me this. Probably because it's not online. Yeah. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, there's other additional features you can enable on the setup. We're not going to use that. I was actually coming here for. Remember where this was at. So how's it going, Dust? Thank you for coming and joining us here. You can remove features you don't want to have installed on here. And also as you go through your apps and lets you uninstall stuff that's giving you problems. Of course, the system security stuff, the toolkit we're looking for. Oh, I'm trying to remember where this is at. I think it's on an updated version. 10.10.10. God, I got so many miners down right now. My remote location had a power shut off today for 8 hours, so I got had three miners go down. I got one machine failing here, and it looks like one of the machines at my house are actually down. Two of my machines. Wow, I literally have not been mining for 3 days. That is beautiful. That's absolutely sexy. And I can't even fix it because my remote client is down. Ah, no, thank God, it's back up. Oh my goodness. Alright. Seems my system's on off. My server's not fully up yet. Alright. Bad day. What's the latest version of this one? 102. This is 101. And you'll let me download. Of course you won't. Come on. Oh, why you browsers gotta make everything complicated? Hang on, that feature I'm looking for, I don't think it's on this version, but it's on the new one. I think it's gonna load. Alright. Next browser. I'll try Firefox, which has got to do an update. I have the latest version on several PCs at my house, which I can't get to right now. Oh, you gotta love it. How many, 44. I'm getting there, man. Thank you. Save. Allow download. Thank you. You pain in my ass. Alright. Look at the latest version. Okie dokie. Firefox, let me download. Alright. Oops. Close. Gotta find which mouse I'm using. Alright, so let's go to here. Dism++ 1.02. Windows Administrator. Don't you love it when you forget how to do something? Alright. Sweet. Sweet! Okay. Man, I found it the one time. It's have to be an offline file to do that? No, no, no. 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 Ah, man. This is nothing like forgetting how to do something because you did it like 3 times and haven't touched it in months. Crap. Alright, screw it. We're down. I'm going to go and image this machine. Well, we'll use this machine to image the 3 drives then. And while those are imaging, we'll go ahead and build the machines. That's got to get done. 4460. All right. My cloning tool. Let's whip out the sword. Yeah. All right. Let's see, what do we use? A little more weight than that. There you go. Crypto Noob, what's going on, man? Long time no see. So glad to see you here, man. It's been far too long. My schedule was ridiculous the last 6 months. Just ridiculous. Alright, we're going to change this boot to that one. Save and exit. Woo! It is mighty cold in here. I planned on having machines mine in here, but man, I got backlit. Oh, come on. Hate it when UEFI does that. La 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 la. I changed the boot type. I changed the boot type. Yes, I'm enabled. You're not gonna let me do it. Pain in my ass. $7 a.m. Yeah, it's 1 a.m. here. Just my schedule has been just crazy doodle. I'm actually gonna have to hire somebody here in February. I'm thinking because I'm so crazy busy. All right. You gotta be stupid that way. Damn it. Hey, John Germain. Hey, yo, dude. Long time no see, man. How's your son liking that system you built out for him? For his Christmas, yeah, it was Christmas last year, wasn't it? That we met up with over at that Macro Center. You got that graphics card. Too much shit. If you heard that was a blood pressure machine. I accidentally started it. RevTech needs a special hard drive. Alright, what do I have on this flash drive? Nothing's on here? Cool. Alright, we're gonna load up do I have mini partition tool on here? Hey, mini partition wizard. So we'll load this up here. We're going to use this program called Mini Partition Wizard. You can set up bootable media, and this is not a licensed copy. That's asinine because my licensed copy is at the house. Let's see if my machine's logged in so I can grab it. Alright, that's up, that's up. Yes, yes. Thank heaven I can log into my PC at my office. Alright, so I can grab, if we see file. Oh, I already have it. Cool. We'll just make a new file. We're going to utilize Rufus today. Have any of you guys ever used Rufus before? I'm sure you guys have. Me? No, I don't have an Orion server. That's my Screen Connect. I log into my clients and all my miners with it, so yeah. Download. Rufus Portable. Yay! Everybody's happy now. Alright, save. Alright. Would you like to roof? Yes, sure, why not? Alright. We shall select our delete that disk. Rufus is great, man. I love that software. Yeah, I'm not familiar with Raptorium. The project. Is that a mining? I'm guessing that's a mining coin you're mining. Alright. Yeah, I'm still mining XMR in all my machines. So I've got 7 machines mining XMR. Aside from the 15, I have one of my clients. Alright. Nice. As long as you can sell them. Again, as long as you can sell them. Can't sell a body becomes useless. Excuse me. You have to pardon me, guys. I've had 4 hours of sleep since Tuesday. I had 2 hours yesterday and 2 hours the night before, and I've been up since 8 a.m. already, so or 6 a.m. rather. Crazy week, as I said. Alright. Let's go and image off this first drive. Do. Okay. Finish. Apply. Yes. Alright. There we go. And while that bad boy images, we'll go ahead and build a computer. Alright. Yeah, he's got a few rises to give away. Wait, did that freeze up? It sure did. Well, that's asinine. That camera froze up. Well, the device did anyways. Huh. Smells funny. All right. ETH goes down and Bitcoin goes up. I love it. Yeah, I've got my Monero sell point set at like 500. God knows when I'm going to see that. I don't even know what this case looks like. I ordered this thing like 3 weeks ago, late at night. I was like, hey, it's a $40 case. Man, I don't understand what this thing is. OBS is not liking that. Nope. Huh. There it is. Hey! Alright. Power number one. And it's filter. Manual. Plastic. We got room for cable management. So yeah, this will look nice when we're done. So nice USB 3.0 header, nice clean look on the outside of this case here. I'll put up in a better camera. Nice, simple, good for a workspace. We got power supply goes down here, so it's not all isolated, unfortunately, so it may not look as pretty. But I've got a little bit of room behind. Yeah, I'm not sure. Wire management won't be as pretty as some of the other more expensive cases. But what do you want? It was a $40 case. Client. Used to buying $400 machines, and well, $400 machine in 2021 does not exist for custom build anymore. The irony is we ordered video cards at the same time we ordered this stuff, all the rest of this machine, and the retailer on Newegg did not reveal it was from China until I got the shipping order, and I was like, oh, it's coming from China. I'm like, well, God knows when that's going to show up. It does, which is a rarity nowadays. Not that they need it. Alright, so first drive imaged. We'll shut this down. The only thing I should have done is I should have rolled the wireless drivers. Oh well. Alright. Hard drives. They come so small. I believe that's 1 terabyte. Let's see. So these machines are nice Ryzen 5 5600Xs. They're all going to have 16 gigabytes of RAM and 16 or 32. It's 32 gig because for some reason Intuit wants to make their products all bloated. Alright, so motherboards as alright, all 3 systems are going to have Phantom X Gaming 4 motherboards. Oh, that sucks, Jermaine. Yeah. So many scammers out there right now, it's terrible. Am I mining right now? I am not mining in the hotel at the moment. I've got a bunch of rigs down right now in multiple locations, so yeah, I gotta take care of that, but I'll get to that once I get these machines built. Did you have a nemesis situation where, you order 3 Bitcoin on video cards and they never show up and they just play games with you for 3 months? Well, these rigs aren't. Yeah, these are clients. I gotta have them delivered on site Monday, ready to go, or Tuesday, ready to go. And yeah, so we gotta build these first. Once we get all these machines built out and they're all booting, I can put them to the corner and I will at that point start working on the miners. No, what time that's at, I don't know. We shall see how long it takes to build these out. Should get faster as we go each one. Alright. Some EVGA 650 BT power supplies. Oh, it blows. That's terrible. This is supposed to be modular. Son of a biscuit. When you think you're buying a fully modular power supply, and it's not. It should still be okay to manage this because I'm going to use all these cables. Okay. Cool. Give me Velcro straps so I can make this look real nice. Haha! One thing I love about EVGA, love that it comes with these. Those of you not in the know, that is the when you put more than one power supply in one machine, utilize one of those and it'll jumper it out for you. So we're going to use this box for all the extra parts rather than the motherboard box. Save some space. All right. All right. Not happy about this cable situation, but we'll do the power supply first. Where's my screwdriver? We'll make it as clean as we can and work with what you got. Yeah. Low torque setting. All right. Machine will have a each one of these machines is going to be running with a GeForce 710 2GB video card, because as far as we know right now, those Intuit products aren't requiring major video performance. We're just wanting core CPU performance because I'm gonna call it crappy programming. All right. Love this tool. Sure does make putting those in a lot easier. Ah, shit. Faceplate. Have not utilized a case that doesn't have a separate bay for the power supply in, God, almost 2 years. Feels weird. But then again, most of the cases I've been building for clients lately have been $80 plus. And look at that. Our imaging process is done. Alright. This is a really shitty cheap case. Not gonna lie. Alright. I'm gonna shut this bad boy down. One software system fixed. Oh. So a nice motherboard. All the fun goodies on it. Alright. Make sure all of our holes line up here. What's great about this motherboard? It has the pegs for the wireless adapter, which is not installed. Wow, that's funny. AS Rock. And that's pure comedy gold right there. Hey, the holes are there. It's ready for the adapter to be installed. That doesn't have a place to plug in. It's just got the holes for it. Smile nod, y'all. Oh, AS Rock is too funny. Tell you, man, all the mining frame tools, this hex key tool from forgot the name of the stupid mining frame I used. The one that starts with a W. Wing. Crap. Remember, it's been too long. Can't remember. I think 3 years since I built the case. Kingwing mining frame. Comes with that hex tool, which is, you know, makes putting those in so much easier. All right. Hotel PC building. Make use of the lap. All right. You know, thought about not even bothering dealing with monetization and just going with like a Streamlabs for tips, because I really don't care about ads. And I don't know. I want to have music. I stream way too long. I usually work with music. And you poor guys gotta sit here listening to me talk to myself. And I don't got music going. Ooch, 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 ooch. Oh my god. Did you guys hear that Daft Punk broke up? Ah, it's crazy. Can't believe that. They're supposed to make the next Tron movie, and because they broke up, I'm not sure if the Tron movie is still on the books or not. Wow, I am getting a headache from being awake too long. I got coffee on the other side of the room. I'll get that after I get this built out. After I get the first PC built, I'll go get the coffee. Come on. Of course, no back on the back of this thing. Yeah. So I built a PC for a client a month ago. He was getting ready to come over, and I tripped on the wireless cord and ripped it out of the motherboard. Ripped the cables right off the thing. Still had the stand, still tied to it. Just ripped the cables right off. My God, come on. So I had to steal my antenna from my PC in my office. It's like, man, you're kidding me, right? And to answer your question, no, I am not adding anything but the default factory grease. I realize the 5600X does have an overheating issue. However, I've been mining with several 5600Xs. Full on, I have no issues with it. I'm not overclocking it, so I'm guessing that's probably why I haven't had any issues. Mostly it's been related to the people overclocking it. Remember how first generation, the Wraith coolers, how big that was? A little smaller. The Ryzen 5 coolers are on the 5000 series. For as hot as these processors get, you would think they'd use a better material or a thicker fan, but nope. All right. Yay, cable plug-in. I like plugging in cables. It's like managing wires. It's so much fun. Why won't you fit? Cables on strike, boys. Oh, there you go. Alright. Ah, buggers. Ugly ass. Damn it. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. CPU. Kind of sucks. This power supply has a VGA plug, which I'm not going to utilize. So it's going to be an extra wire hanging out in here that I don't want to have hanging out. Once I get this up and going, I'll get another machine up for a display. I'll put that machine up. I'll boot off the primary drive, and we'll get it mining. We'll set up the Wi-Fi adapter and get it. I should have already done this before I put the board in. Thought that was gonna be room. Seriously, there's no freaking room. The clip is stuck. Come on. Fine. Do it one at a time. Pain in the ass. There's one. Come on, number 2. What a great case design. Oh, the next case we're gonna do this wire first before we put the board in. Ooh, lame-ass design. Just not quite enough room. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Boy. Alright. Wait. This utilizes 2 CPU plugs. Oh, great. Utilizes 3. The boring part, cabling. You know, on Gemini with the KNC fork, I guess that happened. If you transfer tokens prior to the fork and they didn't recognize it, they have an email form which will let you do it. I wonder if KuCoin, now that they're taking BEP, now they're using the Binance chain on their network, I wonder if they'll retrieve my Ethereum that got switched to Binance protocol and my ELF. Man, if I did, that's like another, that's like $1,000 sitting there that I lost that from Binance chain not being supported, even though it's supposed to be. Alright, we got another CPU plug here. PCME. Let's see what cords we got in the box. So we got SATA, VGA, VGA. You suck. it doesn't have another motherboard set. Hopefully it boots off 2 pliers. Shit. Well, we'll find out. You know, all the wires you get to deal with. Alright. So glad I didn't catch that. Sometimes boards will run without all 6 plugs plugged in. They'll run in what's called non-extended mode. And it should still work. So we'll build the one out. I got a 750 watt power supply. It's got more modules than the 650 does. That might solve my problem without too much of a headache. I just have to return the 650s and pick up a 750. Alright. Man. Everybody's got to put stickers on everything. Seal for your protection. You know that it's from the factory. We sealed it. Have some stickers. Alright, we're going to overcharge it for memory. So here's some stickers. DDR5 is out for PCs. There's some YouTubers that are doing stuff. So that's stuff. Not sure if I'm going to invest money in that yet. Alright, that's our stuff here. Alright. USB 3.0. Everything's falling, everything's falling. All right. Let's get a little mini screw. And it falls on the floor. Yep, that was awesome. Where'd you go? Oh, you're kidding me, right? It's alright, it comes with 3. I'm sure I'll find the other later. Alright, John, have a good night, man. I will probably be here when you get up. The way this build's going. Alright. Hard drive CPU. Now we just gotta get our headers in. And that's another fan. Hey. This case is definitely not wanting for fans. A lot more than I was anticipating. Okay, we got plugs for them. Alright, so HP audio USB. Do 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 do. Alright. The lighting in this room is terrible. Alright. Alright, that's 2 down. I got reset power LED, power LED and power switch. Okay, cool. We got CPU fan, casing. That's it. We're still here. We're still here. Power LED and Christ. Okay. There's our positive on our power LED and our negative on our power LED. And right next to it is the power switch. Alright. Alright. I guess this bad boy's ready to see if we can turn on or not. Alright, we'll do that in a minute. Let's take out a M.2 drive. Get this one booted up. And we'll get the Wi-Fi device set up on it. Then we'll put it to a different part of the hotel and start mining with it. Display out. I got 1710. It's the same model that all the machines are going to have. So we'll utilize that as the video card with the driver. Since it's temporary, you're not going to bother scooting it in. What the fuck is this? Problem when you throw all your parts inside a tub, things get bent. Pain in the ass. That's better. Alright. Where'd my chat go? La 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 la. Yep, good old Netstream. Having the fun with PC hardware. Alright, where is it? That's my back. Hang on, I gotta go to the restroom. We'll be right back, guys. Whoop, whoop. Crack shut. Alright, well, frack. Trying to find my USB devices. Coffee is needed for sure. Chaos! Crazy. So who here is excited for Ghostbusters this week? Actually, it comes out today, right? The 13th? I'm very excited for that movie. But I'll wait till I go home. My wife and I are going to go We're not going to be able to contribute to the opening weekend numbers, but that's okay. Or the 16th it opens up. This is the 16th. That's great because my wife and I are going to go and I better contribute to opening day numbers. But I want to show my support. I'm tired of SJW crap on my movies. Where is my wireless device? I know I grabbed it. Where did my little bike go? Where could she be? Where could my little bike go? Where could she be? Fuck it. I got another one here. We'll load this one up. Alright. Well, that I don't know, do a wire management until I know that machine boots up, so. Oh, I didn't pull the hard drive back in. Yes. Oh no, Crypto Noob, I'm sorry, man. Is there anything you can do? Is she in the hospital? Is she home yet? I'm so sorry to hear that about your wife. That's devastating. You guys aren't that old, are you? Did she have a high blood pressure or something that caused it? Oh man, that's just devastating. I'm sorry to hear that. That's my cell phone. We want the tablet. What is? That is a tablet. Okay, cool. Cool beans, yo. Alright, this one is online. Did I actually have this on the domain? I didn't think I did. Shit, I did. Blah. Do 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 do. Yeah. And I screwed up. Let's rename this thing. Hey, it's tired. Like the bears on Bitcoin. We'll call it Miner Junior. Good a name as any. Yeah. I need to plug in another video card in this machine. I don't think I brought another one. Alright, they're about 7:30. If I remember correctly, this doesn't work right. But we'll drop it in and see what we get. Have you talked to her? Is she able to talk? How bad was the stroke? No, my mom had a mini stroke when she was my age, actually. She had really high blood pressure. She got fired from her job because of false accusations and a whole bunch of shit. I was going on with movers very soon because they destroyed our property. And they came to her job and got her fired from her job by saying she had a bunch of drugs on her office or in the house. Because the company paid for her move out there, so they were part of the lawsuit, and all these jackasses wanted to do was save their own jobs, so they made up a bunch of lies, which was terrible. Called a bag of flour a bag of cocaine. A-holes. But yeah, she's now 67 and she's still working full time. Very happy with her life. She's living on her own now. But yeah, hopefully your wife's able to recover. Well, the left arm and leg can be fixed with physical therapy. So hopefully you're able to get that done for her. She's able to commit to that. yes, the bracket was taken off of this video card because the system it was in was an open frame. But it wasn't up on the rails, it was down below, and if I had the arm on there, it didn't sit properly on the frame, so I had to take off the support bracket. Fun times. Jerry rigging at its best. Oh, good. It sees it. That means I can drop a dummy plug into it. If I can remote into it on this machine, that would be golden. We're going to rename this one. Where'd it go? Edit. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright, then you go to Einer Jr. Haha! There she is, folks. There she is. Alright, so we got manage. Yeah, it takes about, God, 8 to 15 months for rehab to get everything functioning when you get that kind of hemorrhaging, causing that stroke. Do you know if it was a hemorrhage or a blood clot, or you're still investigating that? Display adapters. Alright, NVIDIA, you pain in the butt. Oh man. Is she diabetic? Yeah, my mother-in-law was on Coumadin for a number of years. Every month she had to go to the hospital to get a Coumadin shot to keep her blood thin because she was high risk for blood clots. I'm hoping my wife can avoid having that in her life, but you know, high blood pressure, blood clots, it all runs in her family. Well, that's super not fast. But it is downloading from a tablet off a T-Mobile internet, so I guess it's not too bad. 723 meg? Really? Jesus Christmas, NVIDIA? Alright. Well, that's downloading. We'll move on to the next thing we're doing. We have to see if we can power on this. We'll take a dummy plug and we'll plug it into that 730. I've only got 5,000 from here. All right. Power cord on this other PC because we don't have enough of those either. Oh my God, that is terrible. Really? I just found the screw I was looking for and now I can't find it. Oh, I am definitely too tired for this right now. Alright. She powered on. We got green light. We got a blue light. He's blue. Can't see it. He's blue. I still can't see it. Oh, what is that? The board doesn't have a speaker. Oh. Here we go. CPU recognized. Boom, baby, boom. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, boom, boom. Oh, they added this. There you go. There's a poll for you. Look at that beautiful boot up right off the bat. I love it. Got a load of drivers, but it's doing its thing. All right, I'm gonna grab the latest AMD drivers, which I should have done in the first place, but now I gotta install this on all the machines. Oh my goodness. Typo knees, typo knees, typo, typo, typo knees, typo knees, typo knees, typo, typo, typo knees. Right? B550. Oh my goodness. Two sons of working a country hours back home. Brother didn't get the message until he got home from work. Oh man, that's terrible. And waiting so long, man, that just makes it worse. Excuse me. Well, that initialized. That's good. Alright, so we'll install this chipset for this video card. Hopefully it doesn't start blue screening, because that was the problem I had before with this video card. I loaded the drivers and it said puke. Alright, so AMD's drivers aren't much smaller than NVIDIA ones. My goodness. At least the hotel internet download on that one. Oh God, it's just one thing after another, man. You can't sell your crypto for cash to pay for the flight? Or is it more complicated than that thanks to COVID? Downloading, 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 downloading. Ugh, it's awful. And of course, because of her stroke, she can't get on a flight because she's a high risk, considered high risk. So that's awful. What? Alright, cracker. What? Really? Let's see what Microsoft has to say to this. Windows update. I can't possibly have a fix for that problem, Penny. Man, that is awful. What is that? Yo, what? Ugh. It just sounds so just frustrating. Yeah, welcome to post-COVID, where everybody's skeptical and everybody is, about themselves. That's very sad. Very, very, very sad. Holy hell, is that fast? Hey Pez, welcome to the show. Alright, what do we got here? We are currently going to set up benchmark on these. People are fools, man. They are absolute fools. Crypto is just going sideways. Look at that. Bitcoin's sitting there at 63,880. It just won't. The bears can't win and the bulls can't win. It's just sideways. Alright. How are you doing tonight, Pez? Thank you for coming and joining us here. We are currently in the process of finishing the software side of this PC, which is the one of the first machines built up, the 3 we had to do, and then the mining one that's got the miner up on there. Miner Junior there is just doing some benchmarking on the cart, on the stuff that's there, and waiting for Windows Update to finish downloading, and then we're going to go ahead and let this bad boy just mine. We're going to plug it, move it to the out of the way, and plug it off somewhere on the other side of the hotel room. It's got a 580 and you know, the 2400G processor in it, but it's not running the G. The graphics part is disabled. So it's running as a primary CPU. Alright. Should have all the drivers installed on here now. Alright. Ah, buggers, I gotta do that. Do. Forgot about that. Oh. Where's the download link? Alright, based on how I'm feeling with my head, I would exchange to BTC, and I love 2 miners. They're great. They really are a good platform. Did it download? Yeah, it's downloading. Oh, jeez. Christmas, really? Oh, crying out loud. Alright. When you clone a machine that contains QuickBooks, you have to run the Microsoft Toolkit fix. What that does is you get an error caller called error 3371. It is the most asinine, annoying, stupid thing. But they're trying to prevent pirating, but what happens is, oh, come on. Let me download. Ah, crap, I do. Cancel. Really? Christmas beans. So, frack. Jumping through hoops. Jumping through hoops. Alright, so we got Visual C++. New distributable 2013. Oh, for crying out loud. There you go. x86. Dude, what now? Pez, you got any questions, man? Yeah, MacRun looks great. However, it's still a SSD issue with right, you still got to run the stupid tool, because Intuit is asinine that way. La, 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 la. All right. Really? It's already installed. Why? Wow, you piece of crap. Wow. Oh, that was minor junior doing over here. Still benchmarking. Yeah, for sure, Pez, for sure. You got me on Discord. Hit me up. Oh, my eyes are on fire. Oh. As I said, guys, so many boxes, so many things to build, so many things to do. One more time, this box is up. It's not in there. Jiminy Christmas. Let's say of the night tonight. Jiminy Christmas. Alright, I'll throw another poll question out here for you guys. I can allow 3 options on my poll, so let's do this one. If it'll let me. Oh. Poll's still going. Alright. What did I do with that USB device? And tell ya. Alright, Crypto Noob. Have a good night, bro. It's good seeing you. Peace out. You still with me, Pez, or did you check out? Anybody else in the chat? If you're in the chat, let me know. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna pull the plug tonight because I am hurting. It has been a very long night. It has been a productive night. We got one PC built. I'll fix the cable management offline on this machine. If I'm not too exhausted, I'll be back on live again tomorrow. So we got another miner to troubleshoot over there, and then we've got this miner down here which we got to troubleshoot. And we've also got the RevTech we got to play with. We got the laptop we got to work with, and I got 2 more PCs to build. Whoa. Oh. But good news is I got all the features set up, so no, I don't mind waiting. I don't mind sitting talking. I'm good to talk. Alright, Pez. I will be back tomorrow night. Hopefully I'll find my USB wireless device. If not, I'll head back over to Micro Center for the 4th day in a row and pick up a couple USB devices. Have a good night. Thank you for y'all watching and stuff. And when I come back on tomorrow, I'll give you guys an update on the minor junior position here. It was fun. It's been great. Deuces.